Hey guys, I'm Tim Langston with Global Safety and Survival, and today we're going to talk about some fire safety tips that you can practice around your home. Number one thing I want to talk about is prevention, and that's not storing flammable liquids inside your house. Flammable liquids are things like lighter fluid, charcoal lighter, gasoline, heavy petroleum cleaners. We want to keep these out of our house. Smoke detectors are very important, and we should check those twice a year. Now, in my home, I like to make it easy to remember to do that. So 4th of July and New Year's every year is when I test those smoke detectors and make sure they're in good working order, and replace those batteries at least once a year. So a lot of people are buying batteries at Christmas time for different kinds of presents and gifts, and that's a great time to go ahead and replace those smoke detector batteries. One of the most important things you can do is, if you have a fire in your house, if there's smoke, if that smoke alarm is sounding, we like to practice what we call stay low and go. So you want to crawl on the floor so that you stay underneath the smoke and go to the closest exit that you can get out. Once you get out, you never go back in. How do you know where to go? You should have a home safety evacuation plan long before you ever have a fire in your house. So you and your family can get together and plan that if there is an emergency in your house and you need to evacuate, have at least 2 different ways of exiting each room. And then have a place somewhere close to your house. Maybe it's a flagpole out in the front yard, or maybe it's your mailbox or the end of the driveway. Have a place where everyone that's in the house, where they report to and they can stay. That way, you know that everyone is out of the house, and you can wave down and alert the firefighters and police officers as they arrive. If you have a fire and your clothing catches on fire, there's a technique that we have called stop, drop, and roll. And that's what you do to help put that fire out. Your clothing catches on fire, the first thing you do is take your hands and put them over your face like this to protect your face from the flames. Then you drop to the floor or the ground, and then we roll over and roll back and roll over and roll back until the fire is extinguished. Practice these safety tips and stay safe. Until next time, I'm Tim Langston with Global Safety and Survival. God bless.